Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we're going to continue in our method book on the alto saxophone with line 6, double up. So we're going to start at the beginning and see what we have. We have our treble clef, followed by our time signature. We are in 4/4 time. The top number tells us how many beats are in every measure. The bottom number gives us the value of the whole note and whole rest. So in this case, we are going to hold each whole note for 4 counts as well as rest for 4 counts. So now let's go through and see what we have in our music. In measure 1, we have a D on line 4, and D on your saxophone is going to be your octave key. 1, 2, 3 in the left hand, 1, 2, 3 in the right hand, and we'll hold that for 4 counts. And then we move to our C on the third space, which is simply the second key with your middle finger. Then in measure 3, we have a whole rest, and then we come down to our third line, B in the next measure. You just put down the first finger on the first key, hold that for 4 counts, and you have plenty of time to look ahead to the next measure. You go back up to a third space C, middle finger again. Then we have 4 beats of rest, back to our third line B, first finger, and we end with our fourth line D, which again is octave key, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we have our final bar line that shows us we are done. So we have our thin line and our thick line. That's our final bar line. And this is double up because now we have 2 measures where we're playing back to back instead of a measure of rest in between everything. So I'm going to play through this. You can play along, or you can just listen and then watch this video again and play along the second time. My metronome is set for 80 beats per minute, and start each note with a t sound. So the tip of your tongue, tip of the reed, you'll get a cleaner start to each note. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. 2, 3. And last 2. And that is it for line 6, double up. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.